Beautiful, latest, attractive women and girls fashion, flower sweater style ideas, and sweater crochet pattern, and with beautiful flower patch work and flower applique style combination, and the stylish loosey and long sleeves sweater styles ideas. So I hope you like it my video. Creating a crochet flower cardigan sweater can be a delightful ideas, and review. Here are simple pattern ideas different words fit yarn in your preferred colors, and buttons or other clothes or yarn needles. So I hope you like it my video, and my channel. So different styles ideas flower appliques crochets, several flower motif using combination of chain stitches, single crochet, double stitches, crochet and slip stitches. Experiment with different petal shapes and size to create variety. Attach the flower motif to the back. So I hope you like it my video. Guys, please see this video till the end and mention in the comment section for your feedback and response. Here are some ideas related to crochet pattern. So I hope you like it my video on my channel. Please see this video till the end and share my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So take care and bye bye, see you soon. I am back one